know that YouTube global advertising revenue is expected to exceed 40 billion US dollars in 2024? We are remaining with very few months, by the way. With billions of people consuming content on YouTube every day, every minute, every hour, the platform has become a massive income generator. I'm telling you the truth. This is pure truth and pure analysis. And the niches that dominate are pulling in huge profits. What are these niches? Some of these niches are generating six figures annually for creators, all thanks strategic content choices. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says you don't hold a phone and you beg for data. You can use what you have to make a living, and don't forget, it's you have to be productive with or without a job. Today, we are going to be introducing to you the best profitable YouTube niches in 2024 and unexpected beyond. So, what makes a profitable niche on YouTube in 2024, 2025, 2026, and beyond? Recently, every time we are talking about how to increase your money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money, and how to make money, we always bring in this point of please invest in a profitable niche. Mark and really check your niche that you're going to invest in. So, what makes a profitable niche on YouTube? Today, I'm going to be bringing for you various things about profitable niches. Please, I would love you to get your seat, get your notebook, and write it down. Meanwhile, blessed new month of October. It's not just about creating content you're passionate about. You know, I had this mistake that I started with when I was starting our branding of Immaculate Show. We were thinking we are passionate, we have passion in this, we have passion in the other, so we have to do this. It's about choosing a niche that has real potential for growth and profitability. What do you think? You are doing something tirelessly with a lot of energy, but at the end of the day, you're going to check your account balance, you find it is zero point 0.0 something out of thousands of views and durations. So this brings now me, and I tell you, picking the right niche can be the difference between making $100 a month or earning $10,000 a month. You guys, these are two different things. Can you choose right now before we dive into it? Do you want to make $100 or you want to earn 10,000 a month? But with thousands of options available, selecting a niche that aligns with your interest and brings an income can be a challenge. Yes, because today, what prompted this video? Yesterday, I was talking with somebody about the niche and was like, how do I select this niche? Then I'm like, okay, don't get twisted. Let me bring for you the ways you can make it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most profitable YouTube niches in 2024 and why they are trending. Sorry for that, and how you can tap into them and do good money and do your monetization. Without forgetting, the challenges of choosing a profitable niche is very, very massive and wide. One of the biggest struggle for creators is deciding on a niche that both excites them and has potential for profit. I always tell you, however much you are going to do something that has money, you should be having a niche that even if they make you come out of this of sleep, you can sit and do something about your content. Like I give you an example. Before this video, I thought I would not do a video since I was a bit not feeling okay. I was a bit sickly and I was fatigued. But behold, because it excites me and at the same time I know it brings money, I had to stand up. Boom, I did a video. So let's dive in and see. You might love gaming, but is it too circulated? Or maybe you are into fitness, but is there enough room for growth? The truth is, many creators spend years bouncing from niche to niche, chasing views but never really tapping into a profitable space. I know if you know that you're part of this, please, I want you to put in the comment section. Out of the time that you've been doing the things you've been doing on YouTube, chasing views, chasing subscribers, how much have you earned? The good news is I'm here to simplify the process for you by sharing the top niches that are not only growing, that are not only for you growing, but also ripe for monetization this year and even the years to come. I've been on this. By the time I went to take my stand, however much, yeah, Immaculate Show, we are a broad brand, but by the time I took a stand to make sure that I teach people how poverty is a bastard, I had also to look for a right niche. So let me dive in from a lot of confirmation witnesses and a lot of testimonies. These niches are very, very, very good and they are very profitable. I'm going to be bringing for you 5 niches and you can choose from that depending on your passion and also depending on your zeal. The first one, and you cannot repute it, it is finance and investment. This year, that is in 2024 and beyond, the finance niche continues to dominate. If you go to YouTube, you'll find that and you got, and even if you use VIDQ, you'll find that this niche has dominated YouTube, especially with topics like personal finance, investing, and even cryptocurrency. And even when it reached on cryptocurrency, it became massive. Creators in this space are not only making money, you guys, from ad revenue, but they are also pathetic with brands and even offering paid courses. You will go there, you see someone is getting a lot of money out of advertisers, out of ads, but at the same time, if you really see, they are selling courses because people are interested. If someone is doing something that is profiting, you will get followers and people will believe in them. So channels are breaking. I'm telling you, the channels that break down complex topics into easy to understand videos like how to invest in crypto, how to budget effectively. These channels are thriving. So if you're there and you really want, you are good at finance and investment, please, I want you to start thinking about that. The second one is health and fitness. This niche is very, it is very wide and it is running like fire. Fire in a, when it is a dry season and you just light fire in that dry grass. This is how this health and fitness is going. People are more health conscious these days, including me, than ever before. And the fitness niche is booming on YouTube, from workout routines to even like, should I call it, advice for nutrition. These ones are very, very doing well. Fitness channels are seeing a surge in views, you people, and even subscription. People are more, including you, including me. I want you to remember the time you saw when they are saying how to trim your tummy. Immediately you had to watch it and finish. This niche is highly profitable due to sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and even paid workout programs. Whether you are into yoga, strength training, or diet coaching, there is a ton of opportunity that you're going to earn big. So, guys, I don't want to talk much about it. This video might be longer, but I want you to listen to me. If you go to any platform, wherever you find a video with health and fitness, people are seated there. And when it comes and some people get few, for example, few testimonies, it will be wild. The third, it is called tech and gadget reviews. Before I started the YouTube, I used to hear about this, but I didn't know what it is all about. You guys have seen it is giving enough money. With the new gadgets and tech products being released almost every day, talk about iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ha, tech review channels are hotter than ever before. From smartphones to smart homes, people are constantly looking for trusted reviews. People making purchases need to know which review is about this product. Me and you, we know it. These days you cannot buy something without going to the review to see what people are talking about, especially when it is a prominent brand. This niche is not only profitable due to ad revenue, but also offers huge potentials in affiliate marketing and even sponsorship deals with the brands. You guys, if you know you're very good at me and you have enough time for your gadget reviews and tech reviews, please invest in this, because the amount of advertisers that are paying to these videos is quite high. We have education and online learning. That one is where I lie between the first, that is finance, and even education. This is where Immaculate Show lies. In the age of digital learning, you people these days, education channels are soaring. Whether it is technical coding, graphics, design, or even how to master a language, education content is high on demand. Creators in this niche often monetize through courses, sales, and even membership, without forgetting the premium content alongside YouTube revenue. If you have expertise in any subject, this could be your golden ticket. I give an example. Like recently, I'm following one of the ladies. She's called Kacha. You can see on the screen this. You can even follow her. She's from Kenya, but she's learning how to speak Arabic. And imagine, I'm very sure she's learning from on what on. She's learning from YouTube and even online. Just give her time. By the time she croaks to the threshold, she'll be earning enough money. Since it is all about education and online learning, let's go to the last but not least, you guys. I'm very excited to make sure that you people, you should know about this. I should not be telling you how to earn money, use profitable niches without breaking them for you. We have sustainability and eco-friendly living. With growing awareness and climate change, you people in this world, the sustainable niche has seen explosive growth. Content around zero waste living, eco-friendly products, and sustainable fashion is trending. Brands are eager to work with creators in this space, offering sponsorship and even affiliate deals to promote great products. I've seen great products, like for example, I've seen one of the companies that is really selling bamboo products in the Gulf countries, whereby you find they want to promote sustainability and eco-friendly living. So if you know you can have a channel and it is a major on this, you are going to be rocking as far as uh, earning is concerned. You guys, I really want you to do this. Let's do money. There is no saying we are doing it for fun or we are doing it for passion. We are doing it for all of them, because you can do something you're not interested in, and at the same time you should do something that you enjoy to do. But out of all these, you people, of what I've told you up, the most promising niche 2024 has to be R and automation. I wanted to bring this one at the end for you people who watch. This is a bonanza and very special for people who watch to the end. The rise of technology is transforming industries, and YouTube is not exceptional, you people. Channels that cover topics like how to use AL tools, I've seen they are going viral. AL driven business strategies and even automation is in daily life are seeing massive growth. Why do you think this niche is so hot? It's because it is new, and at the same time it is relatively untapped. It is not congested, and demand for unrelated content is skyrocketing. People are looking for that content like nothing. People want to know what is the new. People don't want to, they no longer want to struggle. If you can position yourself as an expert or even someone who is exploring an exciting tech space, you can attract a high engaged audience and significant and see even a significance in revenue, in ad revenue. You guys, I call you. So there you have it all. These five of them, the five niches, promising one, are very good for you. I don't say, even if you're in another niche, you can look for ways to make sure that these five niches, you pick one, such that in any of your niche that you're in, please tap into one of these niche and bring it in your niche once in a while, for you to get money, for you to get your ad revenue to be high. You will find somebody with 100 views is earning enough money, and you're earning 1000 and you're not earning money. The most profitable YouTube niche in 2024, you guys, these are five niches here, even beyond. As of now, whether you're interested in finance, you're interested in fitness, you want to dive into the world of Ali, it's up to you. There's never been a better time to capitalize on these trends and turn your passion into profit right now. Which type of niche do you think you can start 2024? When I talk about 2024, someone is going to say, but it is ending. No, We have to make money. These months that are remaining, we can make money out of them. And we crossed to 2025 in a very nice way. Please, I want you to do it. Just drop a comment in the comment section and tell me which one of these six. There are six, there are five I put, then the bonanza, which is very big for you, for everybody, is the six. Please drop a comment and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on growing YouTube channel and even for more tips on making money online. Don't forget, with the Market Show, we are there. We say poverty is a bastard. You have all what it takes. The YouTube has put there the platform. Why not use it? Why not get this money? Thank you very much. See you in another video.